Hi folks, this is Chef Kazi, and today I went to the Costco and look what I found. Okay, this is the tofu. So I'm planning to use this one. Is one pack was 4 like this. So one of them I'm going to try it, and I'll make with a butter chicken sauce. That's the sauce I'm going to use. Okay, we'll make from scratch. So let's go. Make sure, be noted, this is not a paneer, and I'm using this, and here you go. Cayenne pepper, okay, not much. Half teaspoon each, right? Half teaspoon ginger paste. Half teaspoon garlic paste. Regular olive oil, one tablespoon of yogurt. Good mix. I never made this before. That's just good idea, okay? You're right. I'm going to put in the air fryer for, I don't know, 15 minutes, and we'll see how it works. Look folks, I love meats, okay? I love fish, seafood, but I also like to try vegetarian dish and vegan dish. So this will be 100% vegan. No, it won't be vegan because I use yogurt. So it will be vegetarian. So I'm going to put inside the air fryer for 15 minutes. In the meantime, we'll prepare the sauce together, right? Half onion is fine. One bay leaf, two cloves, two cardamom, and one star anise. Half teaspoon garlic, half teaspoon ginger. Beautiful. Tomato paste, 1 teaspoon. Turmeric, half teaspoon. Roasted jeera, half teaspoon. Coriander, half teaspoon. Beautiful. No salt added because the tandoori spice has a salt, and tofu is salty too. You can add some cream, but I put some milk. I don't have any cream with me. Two tablespoons of water. Folks, look at the color. I like to use some, this is the evaporated milk, okay? I'm using instant cream. Just I like to see the sauce is rosé sauce. Ay, ay, ay. Yes. Folks, this is the best. Let me zoom the camera to see. It's done. So I turn it off and that's it. Now your choice. You can put some fenugreek leaf or oregano leaf or any other things on the top, your choice, okay? Green chives, beautiful.